Imagine putting $10,000 into an investment today. At just 7% a year, how much will it grow to in 5 years? Let's do the math together. The formula for future value is future value equals present value multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the number of years. Present value equals 10,000. Interest rate equals 0.07 or 7%. Time equals 5 years. So, future value equals 10,000 times 1.07 raised to the fifth power. 1.07 raised to the fifth power equals about 1.4026. Multiply that by 10,000 and you get $14,026. So $10,000 today becomes about $14,000 in 5 years. That's a gain of roughly $4,000 without lifting a finger. This is compounding, and it's why money left alone grows faster than most people expect. On a financial calculator, you'd enter present value equals negative 10,000, interest rate equals 7, number of periods equals 5, then solve for future value. And here's a shortcut. Using the rule of 72, at 7% your money doubles in about 10 years. That means 10,000 today would grow to 20,000 in 10 years, and 40,000 in 20 years.